Good morning. Welcome to University Technical Campus. Today we are going to the next lecture, continuing with the unit number 2 of the subject ISE. So regarding the subject class E, subject ISE. So from last lecture, from last 67 lectures, we are discussing about the unit number 2 of this subject, that is the MIS. Management information system. So while talking regarding to the MIS system, managing the information system, still now we discussed that information system is simply managing the big data so that you will get a right result at the right time with the right cost with a quick response. So two keywords we have discussed from the first lecture, that you must get a right information with a quick response with a short period of time. And we have discussed about the examples like railway reservation system, that where whatever the changes happen in the database, you will get the result instantly. So that is the thing, that whether you are whatever you reserve your seat, whether you get a reserved seat, whether your PNR is updated, that is you get a waiting list to the confirm seat. So all these kinds of examples, that is Amazon examples. And yesterday, the last lecture, we have discussed about the role of IT. Case study we have discussed. So this is the yesterday's topic, last video's topic, that we have discussed about the role of IT in banking sector. We have discussed that how the IT or the information system management is important in the banking sector, and how the banking sector is improved, is get upgraded according to the new technology, according to new era of technology. That is, we have discussed about the ATM systems, single window support system, call center support, and phone banking, mobile banking, internet banking, SMS banking. So all these points we have discussed yesterday. Continuing with this point, and second case study we have group plus case study, same case study, that is the role of process industry. So when we talk about the role of IT in process industry, so you can take any example of industry. You can take example of process industry, as well as you can take the example of manufacturing industry. So any industry where IT is used, that is, there are two concepts. When we talk about the IT, there is ERP and start enterprise resource planning, integration programs. So using these ERP and SAP modules, you can use the IT-enabled services for the development of your process industry, any industry. Mechanical industry is also using the IT applications nowadays. So any industry. So what is the case study? Case study में हम लोग किसकी बात करने वाले हैं? So today we are going to discuss case study about the Varna village, that is the Varna industry. Varna second सुना होगा आप लोगों ने, Varna mill. So in the Kolhapur district, this is a very big project. As a case study, you can write about this Varna village project. So what is the key points here we need to discuss? In case of Varna village, the simple concept is that they simply made a village wood concept. So village wood concept is nothing but, you know, 2 or 3 villages, they made one computer center, they one made internet center. They literate the people about the use of internet and collecting the data on a system, and so that the industry, the villagers know how much amount of sugar cane, how much amount of wheat they can produce, how much amount of what is the current cost of milk and sugar cane in the market, so that accordingly they can yield the products, the sugar products, they can yield the milk products. So this is a very big concept. Let me show you some PPTs where you can get some more ideas. See, this is the case study paper where you can get more ideas about the Varna concept. So it is a community-based system in Varnanagar of the Kolhapur district. The Varna Wild Village product project is an attempt to modernize farmers' cooperative in Varnanagar, Maharashtra. Existing cooperatives have been ICT enabled, that is the internet computer technology enabled, increasing farmers' capacity for information exchange in government offices, government sectors. So what is the background? So they started this project of Varna in 1960. Farmers in Varna in the Kolhapur district of Maharashtra have been banding together to share information for increased productivity and profits. 25 cooperative bodies operate with the large frameworks. Varnanagar Cooperative Society, including the Varna Dairy Development Society, they have their products regarding to the milk and milk supporting products. And this all cooperative sector, they are running with the help of farmers and using the internet-based facilities giving to the farmers using the village concept. So what is the organizer? So ICT services to the cooperative was organized by the Indian Government National Informatics Center. Funding resources with NIC, National Informatics Centers. Relationship objective. So this is the important point. What is the objective of this Varna project? So what is the role of IT? The two central goals of the Varna Wild Village project are to improve the Varna cooperative society's efficiency and productivity, to use the ICT, that is the IT-enabled services, to provide community in the 70 villages. In the starting, they use 70 villages. 70 villages are the part of this project around Varna Nagar, that is a small village Varna in the Kolhapur district, with a range of information and services in a social language, including crop and market price data, government employment. So who are the stakeholders? Who will get the benefits? Rural communities and households, rural service providers, policymakers and their advisors. So what is the actual product and services? So information product, the village information have two main functions: facilitating the sugar cooperative and offering users other sort of information with respect to the cooperative. Then actually where is the role of IT in this particular case study? So what they already did. The system architecture and software, each village has a PC and printer. हर एक जो गांव था उसको एक कंप्यूटर बूथ पे एक सिस्टम और इंटरनेट कनेक्शन के साथ और प्रिंटर. Most are connected to the sugar administrator building via wireless telephone. Some visitors, however, send information on disk, high speed connected to the National Information Center. Software hardware they use initially they are using these things because this is a somewhat fast information, that is the Pentium processors and CD-ROM and computer booths they have established with the hard disk and the internet connection to each and every village. So information technology center they have started for the improvement of communication exchange. So 6 Pentium 2 computers, 64 MB RAM, 2 GB hard disk. This is the kind of data that they are using about the hardware and software platforms. Varna software is the largest set of applications developed in the client-server web-based environment in the Marathi language. Now, Marathi language is used according to, as language is not a barrier. So, English is a fix that they have not used. Marathi language is used, so the software can be used by the villagers because the villagers are not, all the villagers are not able to send the data and receive the information in English language. So Marathi language is used in their software. So people and organizations. So what is the complete process work? Complete process has one central hub and different 70 to 80 computer booths. That is we are calling it in the different villages where the farmers of the Varna district, where farmers of the Varna village and the Kolhapur district will get connected. So they start the IT centers. Connectivity is a major part. The project through the centralized link computer booths give farmers access to the information such as referral times for planting and harvesting sugarcane. मतलब गन्ने की खेती करनी है तो sugarcane को कब harvesting करना है, उसका planting कब करना है. So all such kind of information because Varna sugar industry and Varna milk industry is a very big cooperative industry in the Kolhapur district. So that's why we choose that case study where the IT-enabled services are used mostly because they use nowadays they are using the automation computing. So financial aspect, business model, that is the investment in the business, incomes, revenues, and the cost. That are the different issues. But we are need to discuss about what is the key points. So this total piece of make information on cultivation technology make detail more timely, reliable, and inexpensive, and language is not a constraint. That is the important thing. Everything is on timely, inexpensive. सब कुछ इंटरनेट पे ही हो रहा है. Data sharing, information sharing. Language is not a constraint because they are using the local language Marathi. Farmers are ready to learn, operate computers, and are also ready to contribute towards covering and marginal cost for the maintenance. Before the village booth, they have to come and visit the sugar industry again and again 3 to 4 times in a season. So that cost is get reduced. The computer network has eliminated a major reason of anxiety at harvest time. Because of the internet, they get all the information about the climate, about the planting time, harvesting time. So everything is on their fingerprints. What is the challenges? When the project has launched, the Maharashtra government assured the cooperative that it should install information on agriculture marketing. The government is moving equally slowly on digitization, land records. So लोगों को ये बताना भी पड़ा कि whatever is happening on the computer system, इस पे बिलीव करना, उसको डेटा को हैंडल करना, ये सब सिखाना भी पड़ा. Train and retrain the people in the villages. Key lessons: the Varna experience offers 4 key lessons on the use of ICT for development in rural area. It is necessary to thoroughly assess the information needs of a community before launching an ICT. The community should also have continuous improvement and feedback in the development of content and software applications. Women and poor people access should have received. Grassroots labor operators are probably the best agents to bring ICT in the rural sector, in the rural areas. So, in the short, what is the particular role of IT in the process industry? एक केस स्टडी हमने देखा. तो using this case study, we are simply going to understand what is the IT enabled services. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? It means any software that we are going to use in the process industry, we are going to use in the manufacturing industry. So in a simple way, we are discussing that whatever the data sharing happened at the root level to the peer level, managerial level, administrative level. That is possible because of the IT role of IT. That is possible because of the IT role in particular process industry. So these are the things. Then we share some key points. Let me share with you. So this is the one more point, that is the role of information technology in the manufacturing industry. तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री में इसका क्या रोल रह सकता है? So this is the point, information technology infrastructure in a manufacturing or a process industry. So IT plays an important role in various sectors and industries. Similarly, IT strives to make things simple in the manufacturing sector as well as in an industry that automates things for the benefits of mankind. IT helps to make the manufacturing process less cumbersome and more automated. So in a simple way, we are saying that anyhow, because of the IT, the things becomes easier, things become fast. So, what is the role of IT in manufacturing industry? Product visualization is also possible. Product designing, because of IT, various softwares are designing softwares are there. So, manufacturing industry में IT का ये बहुत बड़ा रोल हो गया. If you talk about the SCADA is a software for the designing, CAD, CAM. So, all these things are possible. So, testing, product development testing, quality assurance, product upgrade, product enhancement, quality assurance and testing, product support and maintenance. All these things can be possible using the various softwares in the manufacturing industry. So it is a highly complex change, and that is the use of IT. Because of IT, the investment is nowadays become less. Okay. So development partners, manufacture complete cycle partners, product conception partners. So when we talk about the IT industry in the manufacturing, IT support in the manufacturing industry, we need to talk about the various softwares that are used in the manufacturing industry. जैसे कि CAD CAM है, जैसे कि ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री में है, SCADA है, PLCs है. So using various IT enabled softwares, manufacturing industry is getting benefited, and that is the topic, role of IT industry. You can write about any example. You can write about the role of IT in the process industry. You can talk about the IT role in the manufacturing industry. प्रोसेस इंडस्ट्री की बात करेंगे तो मान लीजिए कि और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री की बात कर रहे हैं तो यू नीड टू टॉक अबाउट द एनी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री. You can write the example of any automobile industry. Okay. So this is the today's topic. Try to understand the key points, key headlines. So you can write the answer. So these are two case studies we have discussed till now from the different fields. Thank you to all of you. Thank you.